What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ. I'm out here on the water today. It is a beautiful day. The water is like glass, but really wanted to do a video with all three of my favorite mounts. Now, these are the mounts that you will see on my ski at any time. These are my favorites, then for good reason. I'll go into each one of those. Let's start off with the front mount. This, out of all three, is my absolute favorite. There is no other front mount, if you've got the GTX style hood, that even compares with this. Not even close. Footage here of me going up to 74 miles an hour with this thing. It's just stable. So let's move on. Now this one here gets some incredible footage, and it's real handy if you've got a GTI or an RXP or something that you can't use that front mount. You can still get some front shots with this. You get overall side view, rear view, everything. This is the side game changer mount. All you need to do is have these on there from Seadoo, order them. They install very, very easily, and you can use one of these mounts. Guys, I can't say enough about that mount. And if the rear mount is your game, these will fit 2018 and newer skis. No installation tools needed. They attach in seconds. If I'm gonna choose a rear mount, this is gonna be the rear mount that I choose all day long over all my mounts. This, guys, is the Evolution mount. These do sell out quick. Parts for these come in and they're slow coming in, so when they are available, grab them as you can. You can see right here, I've also got tons of other items. This is a vent that I'm using on the hull today. These things attach very quickly. They just twist in and out. So there you have them, guys. That's my three favorite mounts. Look them up on the website, NRGcreativ.com. And I'm gonna get back out here and have some fun. We'll talk to you next time.